Welcome back. Today we'll be making white chocolate chip matcha cookies. Making white chocolate chip matcha cookies is a simple process. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a bowl, mix 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon matcha powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, matcha powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. We're using the hand mixer to break up the butter so that we can mix it with our sugars and egg. Follow along with me. We're cooking at home with Lafay. I used a stick of room temperature unsalted butter and egg. To bring your refrigerated butter and egg to room temperature, sit them on the counter for 30 minutes to an hour to bring them to room temperature. The time it takes depends on the temperature in your kitchen. Next, add the flour mixture into the bowl a little at a time. Add the mix, blend, add the mix, blend. The unmixed cookie dough will gather around the sides of the bowl, and you can use your scraping spatula to scrape all that cookie dough down into the center so that it can become fully blended. Now the cookie dough is too thick for my blender, so I'm using my spatula to bring it together into the center. Once you have a nice ball of cookie dough, you can add in your white chocolate chips and gently fold them into the mix. I prepared a piece of parchment paper to fit the cookie sheet by folding back the sides. Use a cookie scoop and scoop cookie dough onto the parchment paper. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes for a crunchier cookie. Bake for 8 minutes for a softer, chewier cookie.